Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at a general overview of Keepsales online store. Now, do you want to create a professional online website for your business? Keepsales allows you to do that in these very easy steps. These steps are so not complicated at all. And I'll take you through an overview of how they are. And then in our subsequent videos, subsequent YouTube videos, I'll pick, the steps one after the other. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so we are getting ready to create our own online store. Okay, so the first thing you do is to click on the main menu and then you click on online store. Okay, so then there's setup and settings, and then there's online store product categories. Okay, so the first thing usually is you want to set up your online store. Okay, so it brings you to the settings page, the online store a management page. Okay, and then there are these steps, okay, that you have to sorry, there are these steps that you have to tackle one after the other. Okay, so the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to enter your online store address or link. Okay, so you're going to have to do it here. All right, so the moment you do it, okay, it's going to follow, okay, this very link. All right, so this will become your website address, okay, that you can share, and then people will be able to view your website. All right, so once you've done that, okay, so you enter, okay, the name, and then you click on the save store link changes. Okay, so then the second step, okay, is the online store logo. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to take too much time to demonstrate the steps. So the second one here, okay, is the online store logo. Okay, so this is where you update your logo. Now the logo, there are dimensions that you have to take note of. All right, so they have to be, maximum width allowed 200 pixels and maximum height allowed 75 pixels. Okay, so if you don't have a logo, you can just contact any logo specialist, anybody that's good at logos, and then they'll be able to use the required dimensions for you. All right, so then the third one is the store's color theme. Okay, now this is going to be the color that your store is going to be, your website is gonna have. Okay, so if it's this, okay, so you just click, okay, on the color theme, and then you can just drag this one over here, choose whatever you like. Okay, and then once you've saved, okay, once you've clicked to save, okay, when you go to check your online store, it's going to have the color that you picked. All right, that's great. All right, now the next one is the sliding images settings. Okay, now the sliding images, okay, these are the pictures that is going to be displayed on your home page. All right, so over here you get to click to select the kind of images that you want to view. All right, and then you can have these other tags along with them as well. You make sure you don't forget to click on save changes. All right, so after if you've completed step number 4, then you come to step number 5, which is the online store product categories. Okay, so this is where you're going to categorize the products that are going to be viewed, all right, on the website. Okay, so again, I'll take you through, okay, in our subsequent videos, so do well to check them out. All right, the next one is displaying your products. Okay, so over here people will be able to see the products that you have. Okay, they'll be able to see the products that you have, okay, in your shop, and then be able to order as such. Yeah, all right, then the next one is your contact us page and new order notifications. Okay, so over here, all right, every website should be able to have your contact information. All right, so this is where you provide all your contact information. All right, now there's this one. Okay, so I'm tempted to explain it further, but then like I said, I'll delve deeper, okay, in subsequent videos. Okay, all right, so there'll be a video on how the contact us page, and I mean on every particular step, okay, to create your online store. All right, so this like I said will have your contact details, and then we have the brief company summary profile. Okay, so this is where you're going to type something about the company, so that when people visit your website, they know that, okay, so this is this and that is what you do, is who you are, and the stuff that you have. I mean, any information that you want to provide there, you can. And then the last one is the terms and conditions page. Okay, so if you want to display, terms and conditions regarding the way you operate, okay, as a business, in terms of the way your services, is like, okay, you can also click on the terms and conditions and pages. All right, so once you've followed these steps through, you can click to view your online store. All right, so when you click to view your online store, okay, it takes you to the website. Okay, so you're able to have a look at what you've done so far. Okay, if you're not too impressed with it, you can always go back, go to the step, okay, and then the steps, and then make the particular change that you want. Now once you finally done that, you can just publish store. Then that's the final, once you are satisfied with everything you've done, you can just publish store, and then it says that customers will be able to access your website. All right, great. So this is that for your online store management. Again, you click on the main menu, you click on the online store. Okay, so then there's the online store product categories over here, which is the same as the one over here. Okay, we'll tackle that in another video, and title the online store product categories. Okay, so thank you so much. Sorry, before I forget, they say you may contact support to help you get a custom link, for example this, and divert all visitors to your Keep Sales online URL. So what this also means is that if you want a custom website, for now there's a default website here, okay, which has keepsales.sumundi.com/store/ and then maybe your company name. But if you want to have like a website address that is just suited to you, okay, maybe your business.com, maybe your business is called linkme.com, so you want linkme.com, okay, you can actually have that. Okay, so that please know that custom domain links are not free, but can cost anywhere between $30 to $40 per year. Okay, so then you're going to have to pay for that. All right, so this is all for your online store. I'll be hoping to see you create your online store, and I hope you enjoy the journey to finally have your online store set up. Follow me on our subsequent videos as I take you through the individual steps, okay, to help you to go about creating your online store. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in our next video. Have a wonderful time, and bye bye.